Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Sunday the 9th of September 2018 and we're asking the question, is gold money? Well, today we shall put forward the argument why it is not, and tomorrow we shall put forward the reasons why it is. We shall deal with this at a relatively superficial level, as frankly this subject has formed many a thesis of doctoral research in financial services, but it will serve no benefit in making it too academic, so we shall attempt to cover this as simply as possible without losing the main tenets of the debate. So before we ask, is gold money, we need to define what money actually is. Well, according to Wikipedia, it is as follows, quote, "Money is any item or verifiable record that is generally accepted as payment for goods and services and repayment of debts in a particular country or socio-economic context. The main functions of money are distinguished as a medium of exchange, a unit of account, a store of value, and sometimes a standard of deferred payment. Any item or verifiable record that fulfilled these functions can be considered as money." Unquote. Nearly all contemporary money systems are based on fiat money, which derives its value by being declared by government to be legal tender. That is, it must be accepted as a form of payment within the boundaries of the country for all debts, public and private. The money supply of a country consists of currency, banknotes and coins, and depending on the particular definition used, one or more types of bank money, balances held in checking accounts, savings accounts and other types of bank accounts. Bank money, which consists only of records, mostly computerized in modern banking, forms by far the largest part of broad money in developed countries. Economists differentiate among three different types of money: commodity money, fiat money and bank money. Commodity money is a good whose value serves as the value of money. Gold coins are an example of commodity money. In most countries, commodity money has been replaced with fiat money. Fiat money is a good, the value of which is less than the value it represents as money. Dollar bills are an example of fiat money because their value as slips of printed paper is less than their value as money. Bank money consists of the book credit that banks extend to their depositors. Transactions made using checks drawn on deposits held at banks involve the use of bank money. Now, bankers have various definitions of money, such as MO, M1, M2, M3 and M4. Not all of them are widely used, and the exact classifications depend on the country concerned. MO and M1, also called narrow money, normally include coins and notes in circulation, and other money equivalents that are easily convertible into cash. M2 includes M1, plus short-term deposits in banks and 24-hour money market funds. M3 includes M2, plus longer-term time deposits and money market funds with more than 24-hour maturity. The exact definitions of the three measures depend on the country. M4 includes M3 plus other deposits. The term broad money is used to describe M2, M3 or M4 depending on the local practice. So M0 or M0 and M1 are classed as narrow money, M2, M3 or M4 are classed as broad money. Economists have often argued that for something to be regarded as money, it needs to possess three key properties. One, a store of value, something which holds or retains value. Two, a medium of exchange. You can exchange it or transact business with it, i.e. buy and sell. And three, a unit of account. It needs to be measurable and quantifiable. So there are a few definitions here, but most of which are broadly in agreement. The one factor that we have condensed down in our financial filtration pot within the Illuminati Silver Laboratory is that what determines what money is ultimately confidence. In other words, any item that one has confidence in, both present and for the future. Let us illuminate. 1200 BC, shells were used as money in the Solomon Islands. Native American Indians used feathers as money. In the 19th century, China, Mongolia, Tibet, Central Asia used tea bricks. Trade beads were used between the 16th and 20th century as token money, originating from Mexico, making their way to the Americas. And of course, we are all familiar with gold and silver being used as money from Roman times to the present. Even Bitcoin, to some extent, serves the purpose of money. So if we were to be pedantic about it, anything is or can be money if there is confidence in that item where someone will accept it in exchange for goods and services. So when you hear people say the dollar is not money, technically they are wrong. Now, we can debate all day if it has value and whether that value is diminishing or increasing. But at the end of the day, the harsh reality of life is that what may be classed as money today may not be classed as money tomorrow. So this brings us nicely onto the question, is gold money? Well, the financial elites state that gold is either not money or nor should it form part of our monetary system. They generally put forward the following arguments. 1. There is not enough gold in the world to support finance and commerce, and therefore it cannot be deemed to be money. 2. The quantity of gold cannot grow fast enough to cover an expanding economy, for when an economy expands, the money supply has to increase to maintain price stability. 3. Gold has no yield. For example, Warren Buffett has often said, stocks give you dividends and bonds give you interest. Gold gives you nothing. 4. People like Paul Krugman have argued that when gold was classed as money, we witnessed some of the world's greatest depressions and financial crises, and therefore it can never be returned as money. And 5. Finally, it has been said that gold has no intrinsic value, and therefore it cannot be money. It's just a shiny metal. So in this brief video, we have indicated what money is and the 5 main arguments that financial elites put forward as to why gold can never be regarded as money. Now, before you smash your computer, iPad or iPhone in disgust, tomorrow we shall put forward quite convincing arguments as to why gold could and should be regarded as money. Wow, just think. Illuminati ex-bankers arguing in favour of gold. Surely you must tune into that. Watch out for us tomorrow. For those who are interested, we have provided a link in the description column below to Jim Rickards' book, The Death of Money, The Coming Collapse of the International Monetary System, which we are sure you will find most revealing if you have not already read it. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and share it on Twitter. Please ensure that you have subscribed to our channel and press the bell sign so that you are notified of any future videos. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe as a free member for regular email updates and offers. Disclaimer. Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice, and merely represent the personal views of its owners.